Okay. So how to understand side lead in cha-cha-cha specifically? So we never want to go flat. So imagine you have very little space to go between chairs, and let's say you have a 3 cha-chas. So you start here, but you have very small, very narrow place. So you always try to squeeze in there. Cha, 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 without touching chairs. Cha, 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 cha. Not like this way. Oh, okay. Jessica, you try. Try cha, 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 cha. Cha, squeeze in. Cha, cha, cha. Excellent. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. Yeah, never like this. That was really, really good. Never go like, never go flat. Never flat. Never cha, cha, cha. Let's see if this superstar can handle this corridor of happiness. Go and cha, 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 squeeze in, cha, 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 cha. Oh, there was one. Excellent. Let me see if she can handle it. Go and cha, 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 excellent. Oops, cha, 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 excellent.